Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use JustFit lazy workout. So how to use this app. So first of all, you need to install this app in your smartphone. Then you have to create your account and simply tap on the open button. Then I already created my account, that's why I see the interface like this. So they offer you 28 days that they will change your appearance and shape, everything, if you follow them. So you can see here, this is my plan, this is discovery. You can see here people's uh, you can see here some blog, you can read activities. So I don't have any activities here. Progress, you can see here. So first of all, you need to tap here start training. Okay, and they give you 30 seconds. So this is kind of thing. Start day 1 is set 3, set 4. You can see set 1, set 2, set 3 and set 4. You have to do all the things, and 30 seconds, 20 seconds. So simply tap start day 1. Once you tap here, measure heart rate. Just start training. Just tap start training. Then okay, you can see here, get the most out of your workout, get ready. So you can see here. So for this, like, you have to upload your, you have to capture your videos. Okay, so I just keep it like this. So you have to open your camera and they will guide you, provide you how to do it. Okay, so actually there's start day 1, you have to measure heart rate, go to settings, you have to open your camera, but